Hello guys, welcome to my channel Travel Good. Today is my first flight takeoff as a co-pilot along with Pierce Hargreaves. He is my first officer. Flying aircraft is my big dream and it comes true by today. We are at North Shore Aerodrome. My aircraft is ZXTZL. It's a small aircraft for training purpose. Come on, let's start. My first officer instructing me how to handle the situation while crosswind occurs left and right direction and speed limit. My first officer given me the all control of flights and myself operating the flight. It was a great moment in my life.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me, we're meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me,
Now we are landing, but seems to be crosswind. I had a very good experience in flight operations while takeoff and landing. I have to thank to my first officer who trained and guided me. See you soon on next flight. I hope everyone enjoyed my video and liked it. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.